The Mursi are one of the most distinctive ethnic groups in Africa. They live in the Omo Valley in southwestern Ethiopia, near the border with South Sudan. The Mursi are known for their unique cultural practices, such as wearing large clay plates in their lower lips and engaging in ritualized stick fighting. The Mursi have a population of about 10,000 people. They are nomadic pastoralists who move with their cattle and goats in search of water and pasture. They also practice some cultivation of crops such as sorghum and maize. The Mursi have a complex social structure based on clans, age groups, and territorial divisions. They have a strong sense of identity and pride in their culture. One of the most striking features of the Mursi culture is the practice of lip stretching. The women start piercing their lower lips when they are about 15 years old and gradually insert larger clay plates over time. The lip plates are a sign of beauty and status among the Mursi women. They also indicate that a woman is ready for marriage and can demand a high bride price from her suitor. The men do not wear lip plates, but they decorate their bodies with scars and paint. Another famous aspect of the Mursi culture is the stick fighting ceremony, also known as danga. The stick fighting is a form of ritualized combat that takes place between young men from different clans or villages. The men use long wooden poles to strike each other on the head and body. The aim is to display courage, strength, and skill, as well as to win the admiration of the women and the respect of the elders. The stick fighting can also serve as a way of settling disputes or expressing grievances. The Mursi face many challenges in the modern world. They are threatened by environmental degradation, land grabbing, conflicts with neighboring groups, and government policies that aim to assimilate them into the mainstream society. The Mursi have resisted these pressures and have tried to preserve their culture and identity. However, they also face the dilemma of how to adapt to the changing times and benefit from development opportunities without losing their heritage. The Mursi are a fascinating example of a unique culture in Ethiopia. They have a rich and diverse history, culture, and lifestyle that deserve respect and appreciation.